Hi, sexy lady. See the pool in there, and this is the Indo bar here in Mui Ne, I think they call it. And I talked to the owners and see all this water running down all the way down the street. That's actually they don't put chemicals in the pool. They just dump the water out of the pool every 3 days. Dump all the water out of the pool and refill it up with water. So yeah, that seems like an odd way to keep your pool clean, and you dump a whole pool worth of water. That's crazy, hey. But anyway, we're on the bus or going to the bus now. 20-seater bus on the way to Ho Chi Minh, and so the sleeper buses are good, but it's a 4-hour bus ride or 5 hours, and then we'll be in Ho Chi Minh for the night, see some family, and then we and then we'll be going to a seafood restaurant for dinner on Saturday night before we fly back up to Hanoi. So that's the itinerary. Let's see this. Just thousands of litres of water, and they just dump the water every few days. And the guy said to me, if they don't dump it, like sometimes they have to dump it every day because it's so dirty from people swimming in it. But what a waste, eh? But I guess Vietnam's got lots of water. Maybe it's better than putting chlorine in water.